Have you recently had your home inspected and learned that your foundation might not be as healthy as you would want it to be? Your home's foundation is the most important part of your home, so it is vital to keep it healthy and stable. Helical Piers are a great tool used to help stabilize a home's foundation that has started to settle. But when exactly do you need to have helical piers installed? In this video, we will discuss when helical piers are necessary for your home's foundation. Hi, I'm Nolan Berry, and I'm the Director of Sales at AccuLevel. Settling foundation walls in a home can lead to a lot of issues for the health of your home. If your home's foundation is not healthy, the rest of your home will suffer from the consequences. Helical piers are a great solution to help with a foundation that has started to settle, but when do you need to have these installed? Let's discuss that further. Helical piers are a tool we use to help provide your home's foundation with stability, and in some cases, it can lift your home's foundation. If your foundation has started to experience settling, it is important to take care of this issue right away. Helical piers can be installed separately from your home's foundation, and once they are installed, they can be attached to your foundation to stabilize it. Helical piers can be installed before your home is built to ensure that your foundation is set on stable ground, or they can be installed once the settling begins to occur. If your foundation is not settling, you most likely do not need to have helical piers installed. But if your home's foundation is settling, that is when you need to have helical piers. If you have questions about your home's foundation or helical piers, give us a call to schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors. You can also go to our homepage, AccuLevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button in the top right corner. Fill out the form and we will contact you within the next business day. Do you have questions about helical piers? If so, please leave them in the comments below and we will be happy to answer those questions for you. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. We noticed that about 99% of the people who watch our videos are not subscribed. So if you could take a second, like and subscribe, we would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.